In this video, we will show you how to create and book an event from your account on Timetics. First, click on Add New Event. Here, write your event name, select your event date and time, and select the online or offline location. Click on Create Event. Next, write your event description. In Ticket and Pricing, you can set the quantity and price. On the Speakers section, add your speakers for the event. Next, on the landing page, you can add an event banner. Click on Update Event to save your settings. Click on Preview to see what your event page looks like. Here, your audience can click on Book Now and fill out the details to successfully purchase a ticket for your event. And that's how you can successfully manage your event on Timetics. Thank you for watching, and do follow our socials.